Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar in this Motorola. First of all, go into calendar and tap on the month above. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you need to select event, and now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour. Choose location by tapping on add location, picking one of those options while using the app or only this time, typing wherever you wish to, and tapping on the correct one. You can also add notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, or select custom and pick one of those options. Then choose done to save your changes, tap on default color, select one of them like sage, and even take notes. When you're ready, select Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon over here and making your changes. For example, I want my event to last all day, so I have to click on the switcher over here and tap on Save at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of your event, you need to click on it one more time, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner. Over here select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!